Good day, folks. In this episode, I'll be teaching you how to construct an angle of 45 degrees. Now, to construct an angle of 45 degrees, first of all, you need to construct an angle of 90 degrees. So we're going to draw a line here. Let's draw a straight line here. So drawing a straight line here. So now this straight line, let's call this this A. Let's call this B. Then let's pick a point C. So we're going to draw a 45 degree from point C. Now the first thing you need to do is you draw a right angle. So I've taught you how to draw a right angle in the previous episode. So all you need to do is you draw a semicircle below that point, and with that point at center, draw a semicircle. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. So yeah, I have my semicircle. So this semicircle is drawn below. Now the next stage for you to do is widen your compass a bit. Then let's call this first edge, let's call it D. Let's call the second edge E. And next thing, put your compass at D. Then cut above C. Widen your compass a bit, cut above C. So now cut above C. So you can see this arc. Then put your compass at E. Then cut above C again. So cut above C. So you can see that they intersect at the point. So that intersection, join the intersection to C. So this is how it's done. Intersection to C. Join them together. And then just like that, that is the right angle. Now when you want to draw a 45 degree, you need to bisect this right angle. And to bisect this right angle, you make use of the method I taught you in 2 episodes ago. You put your center, you draw an arc to meet the containing sides. Then you widen it a bit, you touch the first intersection, then you cut an arc. Then you touch the second intersection, and then you cut an arc. So those 2 arcs, they intersect at a point. Then you now draw a line through that intersection, through the center of the angle. So which is this. So bravo. Now this angle here, it's a 45 degree angle. So this angle here, it's a 45 degree. Thank you for watching.